Being Mortal is a wonderful book written uh, by one of the doctors. I'm not able to remember the name of the author. He's a Marathi guy. I'm sorry, I could not remember the uh, name of the author. Being Mortal, उन्होंने checklist manifesto करके भी, अतुल गवांडे is the name of the author, and checklist manifesto भी लिखी है उन्होंने. Uh, Now, Checklist Manifesto is a bestseller book, but I'm going to share one big idea from his own book called Being Mortal. Mortal मतलब मरना और immortal मतलब अमर, नहीं नहीं मरना. And it was a life-changing idea that I got, and one of the best feedback I got from one of the readers. It gave me tears of joy after reading that feedback based on this book. The author says that because he is a very renowned surgeon and he has done thousands of operations and a very renowned respected doctor, I think in US. And what he realized is जब बुढ़ापा आता है और जब मौत नजदीक है तो कुछ ना कुछ बीमारी होती है या जो भी है, and then out of love and affection, because the medical industry has advanced so much, we can postpone death by few months or few years, right? But then he says that is it really worth doing कि वो पेन से गुजर रहा है तो पेन कम करने के लिए तुम हजारों सुइयां उस पर लगाओ, इंजेक्शंस दो, सलाइन लगाओ, and then postpone his life for another few months or few years, but he's not enjoying his life. Then what's the use of those extra few years of life? See, he's not favoring mercy killing, but what he's saying is उससे अच्छा अगर आप, क्योंकि बहुत बार डॉक्टर को पता है कि कुछ नहीं होने वाला है इससे, ये एनीवे मरने वाला है, तो जो बचे हुए उसकी जो जिंदगी की जो शाम बची हुई है, अगर इफ वी अलाउ हिम टू डू व्हाट ही लव्स, what he is passionate about, in which he'll find some meaning in it, that will add some quality to his life rather than just adding quantity to his life. And I love this idea. It makes so much of sense. Okay, लास्ट जिंदगी के बचे हुए दिन अगर वो खुशी से जिए, भले ही वो बीमार हो, बट अगर उनको गिटार सीखना है तो लेट हिम learn guitar even at the age of 85 if he wishes so, instead of lying down in the hospital और वो सब दवाई ववाई लेंगे. मे बी ठीक है, वहां पे जहाँ पे वो 10 साल जीने वाले थे वो 5 साल जिएंगे, बट ही विल डाई विथ अ पीसफुल डेथ. That was the main message from the book. Now, I got an email from one of the readers of booklet after I released the summary of this book, and that lady said that after reading that book, your booklet, my husband was suffering from cancer, and everybody was saying that you try all the possibilities to save him. इसको इधर जाओ उधर जाओ. But I said नहीं, मैं एक ही डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगी, वो जो बोलेंगे मैं करेंगे, एंड उनको जो पसंद है उनको करने दो. तो he wanted to learn cooking और उसको कुछ YouTube वीडियोस बनाने थे कुकिंग की, उनका सपना था. सो ओनली हिज वाइफ सपोर्टेड हिम कि नहीं ठीक है आप करो, आप ज्यादा हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट नहीं हुआ चलेगा, आपको अगर बहुत दर्द हुआ तो ही हम केमोथेरेपी के लिए जाएंगे या जो भी है. एंड आफ्टर एंड देन हर हस्बैंड डाइड आउट ऑफ कैंसर, एंड शी फेल्ट वेरी गिल्टी कि नहीं, आई डिड नॉट गिव माई बेस्ट टू सेव माई husband. Especially comments, taunts started coming from relatives, और वो बहुत गिल्ट में जी रही थी until she read this booklet Being Mortal, and now she says that I don't feel guilty about it anymore. I did the right thing. His last days of his life were so meaningful. He was so happy, even though I did not add more number of years to his life, but I added quality to his remaining life. And I got tears of joy after reading that feedback.